So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll cover the most important topic, that is what are the lab 3 courses and how we can complete it. Also, I'll share the master sheet for the Arcade Facilitator program. So first of all, if you're new to this channel, do like the video and subscribe the channel. Now let's get started. So basically here, as you all are aware that in the Arcade Facilitator program, we have to complete some of the skill badges and some of the lab 3 courses. So basically, when you come into the home page, and then you have to just click on the syllabus page. Now come to down basically at here. You can see here we have beginner, intermediate and advanced section. You can click on anywhere and here you can see all these things that is mentioned as lab free courses. So you have to just click on anyone. So like if you click, I'm showing an example. Do not worry. I have added all the lab free courses in a single sheet. So here basically in the lab three courses, what you have to do, basically it consists of videos and some quizzes. So basically if you complete the quizzes, basically in quiz, you have to just answer some of the questions. And when you answer all these questions, you get this check mark. So basically here, the passing score is 80% and full score is 100%. So you need to score at least the passing score, then you'll be able to get the badge. So here basically you have to just complete the quizzes for all the basically lab free courses you can see here. You have to complete the quizzes and you'll get the badge without any issue. And here we don't require any credits and there is no labs. So how to find the lab free courses? Basically this is the master sheet. I have attached the video, basically the master sheet URL and the videos link in the description. You can watch it. So basically here we have all these things. So first let me show you the lab free courses. You have to come over here and click on it. You will be redirected to this lab free courses sheet. So here you can see all the lab free courses URL is here and just next to it all the solutions are here. So here you have to just click on this video and you'll be redirected to that particular video. Okay. So like this you have to just click on it. You'll be redirected to that lab free course. And here you have to just check the quizzes and then just next to it you can see which modernized infrastructure we have opened. So here basically you have to just click on this video and you'll be redirected to this video. Okay. So this is how we have to complete the lab free courses. And now if you are unable to find it, you need to come to the channel and then click on the playlist section. And here you will find the lab free courses also. So here how to find it? You have to just search it, lab free courses. So here you can see complete playlist is over here. You have to just come over here and just check it like this. Here you can see all the videos are already available and working condition. So you can just watch the quizzes and complete it as soon as possible. And regarding the master sheet, so basically we have to complete, if you want to complete one skill batch, basically one lab and get the one skill batch, here is the complete sheet. You have to just click on it. Then you'll be redirected over here. Here you can see, okay, here all the labs are mentioned over here and the patch. Just next to it, video tutorial. So if you are completing this, you have to just open it and then just start the challenge and then just follow the videos accordingly. And if you face any issue, you can let me know in the comment section. Now come over here for the Arcade monthly games also. You have to just come over here. Similarly, here are all the games mentioned, their access code and their solution playlist. Now sometimes what happens due to glitch, if it is not working, you have to come over to the Arcade homepage. The link is already present in the description box. You have to just navigate to the channel. And in the playlist section, you can clearly see. Basically, in the playlist section, you can clearly see all the solutions are here. You can navigate directly via here also. Okay. And if you have any query regarding the Arcade Facilitator program, this is the combined sheet for you all to just understand. Basically, combined video, we can see all the details regarding how to create the account, how to just complete the skill badge challenge, and all these things are covered over here. You can watch it. Now, let me show you another important thing regarding the skill badge. So here as a part of the program, we have to complete 52 skill badges, but I have added 60 plus skill badges. So here all the skill badges are mentioned over here. You can see it, all the skill badges. And if the skill badge is having bug, you can just move to the next skill badge. Okay. Now here is the complete skill badge solution and here I have linked all the sheet also. So if you have opened this particular skill badge master sheet, then you can see here we have skill badges. Then you can click on the lab free courses. Here lab free courses will be available over here. You can see all these things are available over here. Now another important thing is that, let me show you. Yes, click on the student guide here, how to just redeem the credits, the pre-assessment skill badges, and how to just create your cloud skills boost account. All things are mentioned over here. Similarly, for the arcade games also, the sheet, I have linked the sheet. It will be updated. Do not worry about it. And if you want to see the goodies, you can just check the goodies playlist also, because if you want to know what kind of goodies we getting in the program, you can just check this out. So this is about the main thing I wanted to share. And basically here, if you want to join our social handles, you can join it. Here is our YouTube channel. Do subscribe it, Telegram channel, Instagram and Twitter. All things are available over here. Do join it and take the benefit of it. Complete the skill badges as soon as possible and the lab free courses too. So that's all about this video. I have shared all the details. Thank you guys. Have a great day.